Hi guys, welcome to my videos. So today in this video I'm going to talk about emergency brake, an intelligent, or I should say automatic intelligent service that comes up in modern cars, and this is really very helpful, especially when you are on road under rough conditions. So guys, let me show you how it works. Suppose you're driving a car and there's a car in front of you and the distance is too small, and if your speed is high or if they stop all of a sudden, like you may come across such situations in your driving time. So how you are going to tackle it? Of course, like being a good driver, you can always stop, you can always follow the signals, speed limits and everything on your own, but the same may not be followed by other people on the road. So how are you actually going to tackle this situation? So in order to improve this emergency braking is provided. So what it does is, like suppose the distance is too small, so that you get a warning on your screen that there's a car in proximity. So you have the option to put the brake or take suitable action. But once it is too near to you, like when you push the brake to stop, the system automatically pushes it harder so that you stop well in advance. And even in the worst case there's a collision, because of the extra brake applied by the system, the impact is gonna be less, and that really helps. So let me show you how it works, guys. So in my car I'll show you, like I go for this option, you see driver assistance, I click on enter, driving aids, you see this emergency brake, this is checked. So this is very important that you have it checked. So that's how it works, and this is really useful in your life, in your driving time, because of the assistance it really offers to you. So I hope you like this video. Make sure to give it a like and comment, and if you have any concern, any question, anything that comes in your mind, feel always absolutely free to ask. Thank you guys.